Punta po ako ng office ngayon, and I just like to take this moment to thank you everyone, to thank everyone for supporting my journey, supporting my writing journey by reading the articles I post at libutay.com. Thank you so much. And for the past 14 days, nakita ko po yung pag-grow ng mga readers, and I'm really happy na I'm back to writing. In return, I'll be posting more PDF templates na magagamit niyo po sa inyong mga kids, learning guides, storybooks. All those are free at libutayo.com. I'll also be posting sample journals and little guides para sa mga mothers na nagsisimula pa lang na katulad ko. Things that I think would help mothers na nagsisimula pa lang. And if you want to use those PDF templates, you can edit those templates by visiting racket.ph. Download the files for a fee. My page at racket.ph is lily.libutayo. I'm posting new templates every weekend. Or you can visit my Facebook page at libutayo for updates. I'm driving now to my office, so I really need to be quick. Nasa Mabini Bridge na ako. Okay, so ayun lang po. Gusto ko lamang po magpasalamat for all the time that you spend reading my articles and supporting my writing journey, especially now that